On rare occasion, you may experience a test failure. Be sure that your protocol has specific instructions on what to do in these cases. Documentation is critical, as you will need to follow your instructions closely. If you want to hedge your bet on a seamless installation and qualification experience, utilize the Thermo Scientific service and testing team. They have the experience to perform your IQ, OQ, and other temperature mapping needs. A huge benefit of our service organization performing the testing activity is that if there happens to be a problem, they'll be able to address it immediately. I mean, who better to have on site than the experts that are most familiar with the product and the proper testing practices to be successful. Add to that the guarantee we offer on the validation work on Thermo Fisher units, that should the customer have a failure while the instrument is under grade 1 of the warranty or qualifying agreement and deem it necessary to requalify, we'll do it at no charge. Thank you for your time.